At the center of Rahul Gandhi's hydrogen bomb is Brazilian model Larissa Bonessi. Yesterday, during his press conference, Rahul Gandhi claimed that Larissa's image appeared 22 times in Haryana's voter rolls. Now, a video of the model has been shared by Congress leader Supriya. In the video, Larissa, speaking in Portuguese, says that an old picture of hers is being used in India to scam people. Rahul Gandhi, in his latest vote chori allegations, has claimed that close to 25 lakh votes were stolen in Haryana. The BJP has rejected Rahul's charge, asking why doesn't the Congress MP approach the Supreme Court.
Gente, contar pra vocês uma fofoca, vocês vão rir demais. Não, vou contar fofoca. Gente, estou usando uma foto minha, antiga. A foto é velha, tá? Eu tava novinha na foto, devia ter uns 20 anos, 18 anos. Tô usando a foto minha pra fazer, eu não sei se é uma eleição, alguma coisa de voto, que tem que votar. E na Índia, tô me colocando como indiana pra dar golpe nos outros, gente. Olha que loucura. Que doideira é essa? Que mundo nós estamos vivendo? Aí um repórter me chamou, querendo saber sobre esse trem, ligou lá no salão, no meu emprego, querendo conversar comigo pra entrevista. Aí eu não respondi. Falei pra Tatá não passar meu número e tal. O cara achou meu Instagram, me chamou no Instagram. Agora uma outra pessoa que não tem nada a ver com o assunto, uma amiga minha de outra cidade, me manda uma foto. Vou colocar aqui pra vocês, aqui embaixo pra vocês verem. Aqui. Vocês não vão acreditar. Ô, gente.
Listening to what Rahul Gandhi said during his press conference in Delhi yesterday.
She's a Brazilian model. That's a stock photograph, and she is one of 25 lakh such records in Haryana. This is proof of a centralized operation. I'm going to show you, if you just scan that, that's her official page. Okay? Now, she's one of 25 lakh such people. One question, what is a Brazilian woman doing on the electoral list of Haryana? Now you're looking surprised, like, what is this? There's a logic.
We have Aishwarya joining me on this story. Aishwarya, the woman's image that has launched multiple questions now speaking out.
Well, certainly the Election Commission of India is yet to respond, but interesting twists and turns. And a separate investigation clearly revealed that there was an assembly segment in Haryana in which there were 22 times in the voter list that was uploaded by the Election Commission of India. There were details that were genuine of the voters in that particular assembly segment, but the photograph that was placed in the voter list was of this Brazilian model Larissa. A reaction that came in from Larissa, she is saying that it was a young image of her when she was 18 or 20, a stock image that was given to upload for a photographer, and that particular image was used in Indian elections. This is crazy. Of course, the journalist tried to reach out to her. She did not respond, but a video that she has released. Interestingly, Rahul Gandhi also said that he's worried that now this lady would be spammed. She's a Brazilian model, and how come her image appeared 22 times in the voter list of Haryana? And this is one of the cases of 25 lakh that Rahul Gandhi alleged are the part of vote chori, be it the duplicate voters, the fake voters, or the mismatch of the identity. Election Commission of India is yet to respond, but Bharatiya Janata Party has said that why Congress party or leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi, every time who frequently travels to a foreign country, comes up and now stating such facts. Why not the Congress party, BLS at that point in time had appealed to the Election Commission, or when the Congress party have every right to knock the doors of the Election Commission of India or the Supreme Court? Why it's a small presentation to just mislead the country? The Congress party needs to answer this, why there were no appeals that were made during the SIR process in the state of Bihar as well, and now coming out with the presentation a year after the Haryana elections is something Rahul Gandhi wanted to divert the attention from. He wanted to mislead the country, and therefore the reason perhaps Congress first need to answer that why not they have reached out to the Supreme Court or the Election Commission of India.
All right, Aishwarya, thanks for joining us there. But let's just stay with news on Rahul Gandhi. The day after the leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi, dropped the hydrogen bomb and alleged that the BJP and the Election Commission have conspired to steal over 25 lakh votes in the 2024 Haryana Assembly polls. Politics has now erupted over it. The BJP has hit back at Rahul Gandhi's allegation, including Union Minister Kiran Rijiju. Haryana Chief Minister Naib Singh Saini has hit back at Rahul Gandhi over his vote chori allegations and called it misleading. Today, LJP Chief Chirag Paswan said that Rahul Gandhi was making these comments since the Mahagathbandhan is facing defeat in Bihar. The Congress has backed Rahul Gandhi and said that Rahul's press conference was foolproof and that he had provided evidence.
नमस्ते बिहार के भाइयों और बहनों, मैंने बीजेपी की सच्चाई, वोट चोरी की सच्चाई के बारे में बोला। हरियाणा को उन्होंने चुनाव चोरी किया, महाराष्ट्र का चोरी किया, पहले मध्य प्रदेश और छत्तीसगढ़ का चोरी किया और अब बिहार का चुनाव चोरी करने की पूरी कोशिश में है। मैंने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में आपको बिहार की एक कहानी सुनाई, एक परिवार की कहानी, एक गांव की कहानी, मगर यही बिहार में लाखों लोगों के साथ हुआ है। वोट कटा है, लोगों का वोट छीना गया है। वोट चोरी संविधान पर आक्रमण है, अंबेडकर जी के संविधान, गांधी जी के संविधान पर आक्रमण है और हम सबको वोट चोरी रोकनी है।
She is a Brazilian model. That's a stock photograph. And she is one of 25 lakh such records in Haryana. This is proof of a centralized operation. I'm going to show you, if you just scan that, that's her official page. Okay? Now, she's one of 25 lakh such people. One question, what is a Brazilian woman doing on the electoral list of Haryana? Now you're
बहाना और क्या करेंगे? अब तो पता है कितने दिन रह गए भैया, 7 तारीख हो गई, 10वें दिन तो रिजल्ट आ जाएगा। तो अभी से नहीं बहाना बनाएंगे तो कैसे लोगों को बताएंगे कि ये लोग चुनाव क्यों हारे?
बिहार में कांग्रेस आरजेडी को करारी हार तय है। राहुल गांधी भी जहां भी जा रहे हैं वहां महागठबंधन को नुकसान हो रहा है। मुझे तो ऐसा भी सुनने में आया है कि महागठबंधन के उम्मीदवार भी राहुल गांधी की रैली कराने से कतरा रहे हैं, मना कर रहे हैं। एक और राहुल गांधी प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में आकर वोट चोरी का रोना रोते हैं और दूसरी ओर एसआईआर का विरोध करते हैं। राहुल गांधी को खुद भी नहीं पता कि आखिर वो चाहते क्या हैं, वो कहना क्या चाहते हैं, उनको भी नहीं पता।
देखिए, मैं भी कह रहा हूं, यहाँ वोट चोरी कौन कर सकता है? वो तो झूठा के क्या कहें, वो एक तरह से झूठ बोलने का ठेका ले लिया है। बिहार चुनाव आयोग ने हर बूथ पर एक आंगनबाड़ी सेविका को भी रख दिया। अगर जिन्हें महसूस होगा कि कोई बुड़का में आया है और उसका वोट फर्जी हो रहा है तो उसे दिखाने का काम आंगनबाड़ी सेविका करेगी। और ये किसी को धर्म से नहीं लेना चाहिए। ये पाकिस्तान नहीं है जो यहाँ शरिया कानून है।
All right, let me tell you more about the Brazilian model Larissa Bonessi. How was this photo available? Well, what we know is that her photo is available on the internet to download. The picture titled "Woman Wearing Blue Denim Jacket" is how you can spot it. It's available for free download on stock photo sites. The model is not named. The photographer is Matthias Ferrero, and this photograph is about 8 years old. It's been downloaded 4 lakh times from 2 websites, is what we know.